School Management Committee (SMC) and School Management Development Committee (SMDC) Basics Odisha.ed and Education Honours. School Management Committee (SMC) and School Management Development Committee (SMDC). Introduction. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act (RTE) 2009 made it mandatory for every government and government-aided school to constitute a School Management Committee (SMC) to decentralize decision-making, ensure community participation, and improve accountability in school functioning. Similarly, School Management and Development Committees (SMDCs) were formed especially under schemes like RMSA, now part of Samagra Shiksha, to strengthen school governance at the secondary level. These committees function as community-based institutions working closely with teachers, parents, and local authorities to ensure the efficient functioning and holistic development of the school. School Management Committee (SMC). Concept and legal mandate. SMCs are statutory bodies formed under the provisions of the RTE Act 2009 for all elementary schools, classes I-8. It ensures participatory governance by including parents, teachers, and local representatives. Composition of SMC. As per RTE and Odisha guidelines, 75% members are parents or guardians of children studying in the school. At least 50% women must be included. Members include the head teacher, elected representatives of the local authority, SC sent representatives, and local educationists. The chairperson is usually a parent, while the member secretary is the head teacher. Functions of SMC. Preparation of School Development Plan (SDP) for 3 years. Monitor teacher attendance and student enrollment. Ensure proper utilization of school funds and grants. Supervise the infrastructure, MDM, midday meal, and inclusive education initiatives. Ensure community engagement and grievance redressal. Assist in the preparation and monitoring of regular academic activities. Role in inclusive education. SMCs ensure that children with special needs, CWSN, and marginalized groups, SC sent OBC girls, are enrolled and retained in school. They facilitate the use of aids and local resources for barrier-free access. School Management and Development Committee, SMDC. Concept. SMDCs are constituted primarily in secondary and higher secondary schools, classes 9-12, especially under Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, RMSA, and Samagra Shiksha to enhance participation and ownership in school development. Composition of SMDC. It includes school head as chairperson, teacher representatives, local authority village education committee representative, alumni member, parent representatives, NGO civil society representative, members from SC sent OBC women to ensure equity. Subcommittees under SMDC. Often SMDCs have functional subcommittees like Finance Subcommittee, Infrastructure and Civil Works Committee, Academic and Co-curricular Committee, Equity and Access Committee. Functions of SMDC. Preparation of School Improvement Plan, SIP, based on school needs. Monitor physical and academic progress of school development. Ensure proper utilization of funds allocated under Samagra Shiksha. Organize remedial and enrichment classes for weak and gifted learners. Facilitate vocational and ICT-based education. Encourage innovation, inclusion, equity, and girl-child education. SMC versus SMDC, key differences. Aspect. SMC, elementary, SMDC, secondary level, elementary, I-8, secondary, 9-12, legal basis, RT Act, 2009, RMSA Samagra Shiksha, chairperson, parent, headmaster principal, primary focus, enrollment, retention, MDM, SDP, infrastructure, academic excellence, SIP, parent participation. 75% members are parents. Includes parents but broader stakeholder base. Development plan. School Development Plan, SDP. School Improvement Plan, SIP. Importance in school governance. Both SMCs and SMDCs play a vital role in ensuring transparency and accountability. Community ownership. Student-centered development. Effective school planning. Need-based fund utilization. Local grievance redressal. In Odisha, these committees are actively supported under Mo School Abhiyan, 5T Transformation, and Samagra Shiksha. Conclusion. SMC and SMDC are pillars of decentralized school governance. They facilitate school improvement by involving all stakeholders in planning, implementation, and monitoring processes. Their effective functioning ensures inclusive, equitable, and quality education for all children, fulfilling the constitutional vision of the RTE Act and the National Education Policy.